Hello. Did you know that motivation is a myth? Waiting for motivation is like waiting for lightning to strike. Dr. Bobinet teaches that action creates motivation and not the other way around. This taps into behavioral activation theory, which shows that doing something triggers the emotional desire to keep doing it. Do you want momentum? Take micro action. Stop overthinking and start initiating. Motivation is a result, not a resource. Get moving, results will follow. So tap into momentum at www.mygrandrewards.com and we'll talk about taking action now, micro wins, motivation myth, and behavioral design. So make sure you come and visit. See ya.